how to buy Trump Sons token. So this token came under the symbol of a strap. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And also check their Telegram channel. They included too on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener and it's created by 11 hours ago. And as you can see, it's increased by 102% in the last 24 hours and by 15% to 19% in the last 5 minutes, and keep increasing. The liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's mean investment in a safe place. So as you can see, this token is trending right now, the number 3 on the screener. Copy to be able to buy this token. Copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address is under this one network. Open your phantom wallet for that. After that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues, let's go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Trump Sons token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.